and Hanamura. Flash flood watch in effect through Sunday evening. Tonight, a chance of thunderstorms. Occasional showers. Orange County in central Vermont, southern Washington County and central Vermont. The National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Windsor County in southern Vermont, Orange County in central Vermont, southern Washington County in central Vermont, central Addison County in central Vermont, south central Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont, Rutland County in southern Vermont until 8:45 p.m. At 7:50 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from New Haven Mills to East Colby, moving east at 35 miles per hour.
Let's go, camera.
60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source radar indicated. Impact hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Berry, Brandon, Bristol, Chelsea, Chittenden, Orange, Hartford, Randolph, Castleton, Norwich, Heartland, Williamstown, Pinchford, Berlin, Bradford, Royalton, Clarendon, West Rutland, Wallingford, and Bethel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Official National Weather Service severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Vermont, Addison, Rutland, and Windsor. A chance of thunderstorms. Occasional showers. Locally heavy rainfall. The National Weather Service in Albany has issued a